Hello, I'm Greg Lavelle, a Jackson Hewitt franchisee owner. Getting a letter from the IRS can be a disconcerting experience because the IRS only sends letters if there's some sort of issue with your tax return or tax status. You might have a balance due, maybe there was a mistake with the size of your refund, there might be a question as to your identity. Sometimes a letter from the IRS isn't as serious as you might think. The IRS might have a simple question about your tax return, or they need to notify you about a delay in processing it. In all cases, you should take the time to carefully read the letter and figure out what the problem is. You'll also want to respond as soon as possible, which means you'll likely have a decision to make. Is this something you can solve yourself, or do you think you might need help? If you need help responding to a letter from the IRS, consider contacting a tax professional, but don't let a letter from the IRS go unanswered. If you didn't pay your taxes, or if something went wrong with your return, you may have outstanding debt. There are two types of underpayment penalties. The first comes with the filing of your tax return because you did not prepay enough taxes through withholding or estimated tax payments. This penalty is determined by the federal treasury rate each quarter during the tax year. The second and largest type of underpayment penalty is due when you don't pay your taxes by the due date of your tax return. This penalty starts at 0.5% of the unpaid taxes and increases each month to no more than 25% of the taxes owed. Penalties are assessed monthly and interest is compounded daily until you pay that debt. The IRS can take your tax refund each year to help pay the debt, and they might issue claims on your property and or assets, or even take money directly from your paycheck, which can be a stressful experience. Here's what owing the IRS could mean for you. The bill keeps growing since penalties are assessed each month and interest is compounded daily. If you are not working on a resolution and on a timely payment plan, your security clearance and or job can be jeopardized. The IRS can take your tax refund and apply it to your outstanding debt. In the most delinquent cases, the IRS can assess a levy on your paycheck and take a portion of it each payday.